Hello, my people. It's so good to be here again. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. Thank you for your love and your support. You guys have been awesome. Yes, it's Saffron Media, where we give you trending, exciting, reliable, and authentic happenings in Nigeria, and more especially in the area of politics. And right here, Edo Assembly invasion. Court admits 7 men to 500,000 naira bill. 7 men to pay 500,000 naira for bill. Well, we'll find out what they did and why they have to pay such amount of money for bill, because of course they said it is the invasion of Edo State. So let's find out who these people are and how they are going to pay their 500,000 naira fine. Anyway, guys, before I bring you details of all of this, if you haven't subscribed, please ensure you hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, guys, without further ado, let us dive right into the details of this report. As it says that a Benin High Court on Monday admitted 7 men who allegedly invaded the Edo House of Assembly complex on August 6 to bill in the sum of 500,000 naira each. The police charged Wilfred Ogbewe, 52, Igbinobono Collins, 26, Salami Oshayomore, 25, Odion Osonyade, 23, Morgan Uwamboe, 47, Ifeoluwa Oladele, 36, and Ogbonrere Festus, 25, with the alleged invasion of the State House of Assembly premises in Benin in a manner that caused a breach of peace. Justice Efe Ikponwoba also ordered them to produce 1 surety each in like sum, who must be gainfully employed and reside within the court's jurisdiction. Meanwhile, the court adjourned this case till September 8th judgment in the application for enforcement of fundamental human rights. Counsel to the applicant, Mr. Matthias Obanyua, submitted that the motion was aimed at enforcing the fundamental rights to liberty and personal dignity, freedom from the cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment of the applicants by the police authority. He submitted that the applicants were arrested while performing their lawful duties. Fundamental rights to liberty and personal dignity, freedom from the cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment of the applicants by the police authorities. He submitted that the applicants were arrested while performing their lawful duties as members of the state vigilante group, who were at the assembly complex at the instance of state government to protect the place from being vandalized by hoodlums on that fateful day. Obayuwana also told the court that the applicants were arrested by a team of policemen led by SP Dahiru Ibrahim and taken to Force Headquarters, Abuja, where they were tortured and detained under unfavorable conditions without food. He emphasized that the rights to personal dignity are not such that can be negotiated, waived, neglected, or overlooked. Citing sections of the law to drive home his point, the applicant's counsel told the court that anyone against the applicants on the basis of which they acted in the early hours of that day, an exercise that was ill-motivated and which smacked of partisanship in the electoral politics of Edo. He urged the court to accordingly restrain the respondents, their agents, servants, and privates from further interference with the fundamental human rights to liberty of the applicants in the discharge of their duties as vigilante employed by the Edo State government for the protection of government properties. Obanyua also prayed the court, among other reliefs, to direct the respondents jointly and severally to apologize to the applicants in writing and publish the same in at least one national daily for the unwarranted infringement of their fundamental rights to liberty pursuant to Section 35, subsection 6 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. Joined as respondents in the case are the Inspector General of Police, the Assistant Inspector General of Police, the Edo Commissioner of Police, and SP Ibrahim. Objecting to the application, counsel to the police, Mr. Akome Adage, urged the court to rule against the applicants because they were arrested with guns, an offense punishable by law. Nan. So guys, you can see it is actually getting more hotter because now it's been said that these guys were just security men, but we cannot really tell if they are security men or if they are invaders. Perhaps they came to do some other things, because right here you can see that they're already pleading for them not to be arrested or to be put in jail, because now that they want to be billed, they are asking for 500,000 naira each from them, and also they will present a surety, and all of that, and now Obayiwa told the court that the applicants were arrested by a team of policemen, which was led by SP Dahiru Ibrahim, and were taken to the force headquarters, Abuja, where they were tortured and detained under unfavorable conditions without food. And with that, he also emphasized that the right to personal dignity are not such that can be negotiated or can be waived in any manner or neglected or even overlooked. That, citing some of the sections of the law, he decided to drive home his point that even in the constitution, that there is nowhere where people should be treated in such a manner, that even these guys, that the people that even came to arrest them did not show any warrant of arrest. There was no petition or complaint by anyone against those people, on the basis that they acted in the early hours of that day, and they all went ahead because they felt perhaps it could be a party thing, and they went ahead to arrest these people. And he said these guys were just vigilante employed by the Edo state government for the protection of the government properties, and that this election thing, when it has to do with election, so many things, the governor would have put some of this vigilante to protect the House of Assembly. And it is about a two-party thing right now, because we cannot even say that Edo State is practicing, or Nigeria is practicing, a multi-party system. It has become a two-party system, because if you are not in APC, you are in PDP. If you are in any other party, you only need God to help you, because all other parties seem not to be, visible. They look invisible to everyone, even in Nigeria. But the case has already been adjourned till September 8th, and we're keeping our fingers crossed to see what comes out of it and what will be the outcome of this very case. So from here, that is it, guys. If you have anything to say about it, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.